Yes, yes, yes. What's good, people? Right, I'm so excited about what I'm about to present to you, courtesy of my homies Sneakers76, the sneaker store in Taranto in Italy, and my homies Ginnika, the #1 festival dedicated to street and sports style culture in Italy. Right, this bad boy here is a neoprene bag as designed by LC23, and inside it contains the Nike Air Huarache, which celebrates its 30th anniversary this year. Came out in 1991 as designed by one of the most legendary sneaker designers ever, Tinker Hatfield, who took inspiration when he was out jet skiing one day. But yes, anyway, to this bad boy here. Look at this beautiful tote bag. As I said, designed by LC23 out of neoprene, because that's one of the elements in play with the Nike Air Huarache, right? You got the two exterior pockets, which is wicked, and inside you got a concealed pocket as well. But what's also inside this bag is very, very important indeed. Now you're thinking, yo, Kish, you're displaying something we're not going to be able to own. Well, that's where you're wrong. All right. If you check out www.screengreen.it, all the details are there for how you can win a chance to cop one of these bad boys. All right. Now to what's inside, which is very, very important indeed. Of course, we have this beautiful coach's jacket, which is exclusive to its friends and family pack. The graphic on the back. How sick is that? Then we go to the shoes. All right. Now look at this. This is a custom designed sleeve. Check it. This is so sick. The consideration levels are absolutely at maximum. The reverence being shown to this shoe, yeah, are so incredible. Ginnika looking out, I have to say. Yo. Shout outs to Andrea and Claudio and Eugenio and the whole team. Right, okay, to the shoes. Now these have been recrafted to their original 1991 spec, which is a big deal. It's the first time it's ever been done. They did the recrafted ones a few years ago, which came close, but these ones are next level. But something before we get to the shoes, this booklet right here, which has been designed by the homies from Ginnika, features the entire history of the shoe, from Tinker Hatfield's inspiration all the way through to the sales executives who pushed this through, this shoe through, because it wasn't going to get to market because they didn't reach the minimum orders back then. And then you've got some international heads right there who are supporting this, and yeah, dude looks well dodgy, right? Anyway, cool. Now the tissue paper, check it out. It's even got the limited edition tags like you associate with, the grey slates and the chestnuts, etc. that came back out, about 1992. To the shoes though, just look at that. Just look at how future it still looks to this day. Raked back toe, the sharp cheese wedge profile, neck snapping, even now. Look at that. Let's get up close. The sculpted midsole for me, which is possibly my favorite midsole of all time. The leather, the mesh, all OG spec, the neoprene, the revolutionary neoprene sock wrapping itself around the foot. Then the rubber strap, again, there for stability to hold the heel in place. I mean, they still look future, even now. That's the remarkable thing about this shoe. Still neck snapping to this day. And you know what? Sneakers76 and Ginnika have done a fantastic job paying due reverence to this incredible silhouette, which I think is probably my favourite running silhouette of all time. So as I said, you can win a chance to cop this friends and family pack by hitting up www.screengreen.it, and hopefully you get lucky. So shout outs to Sneakers76, to Ginnika, to LC23, and to you people out there, yo. Good luck copping these. One love and peace.